and I'm with them and weather the archive despite the outward resemblance to. This vehicle is not a ship, therefore cannot be a full-fledged ship move independently. Its main purpose is to research oceanographic works. Flip does not have own power plant, which could be a source of interference for measuring equipment, and the ship is being transported. Tug externally device presents a kind of hybrid ship and submarine. In the bow there is a classic building with superstructure for long paths and arrows. Taps length setting ranges from 15 up to 17 meters and then to the very stern 90 meters. Hull. Flip presents a cylindrical unit similar to submarine hull. Inside this cylindrical housing variable section is volumes for research equipment and 10 ballast. Composition is noteworthy that the ship's name Flip stands for Think Platform Tool, i.e. floating tool platform. Tool, i.e. floating tool platform. Simultaneously with the original value abbreviation sounds like a weak somersault, since the ship is capable of partially spit while turning 90 degrees, so that over surface remained only 17 meters. Add-ons since Bogdan Flip last a few weeks for a comfortable stay. Crew conditions vessel planned so that it can be used both positions the ship at different times on the ship was researched propagation of seismic waves in ocean, interaction of different layers of water, heat exchange between the water column and surface, and many others. Tank and 200. According to the creators, this customized hay bale wrapper and blitz and fully automatic and autonomous machine can be connected to the tractor and work from power supply. Main function of this device is the preparation of hay bales for long-term storage and transportation. It is noteworthy that the use independent power supply that can be installed on the machine itself from the need for the presence of two tractors. During the wrapping process, the operator can stack finished bales or prepare the following system. Remote control allows him be up to 50 meters away. This device without loss of control over Nim screw sang Vefikal. This is unusual device produced by the factory All-Terrain Vehicles in Nizhny Novgorod is an all-terrain vehicle movement which would be carried out through rotary propeller auger design engine. Consists of two screws. Archimedes made of extra strong non-corrosive material. All-terrain vehicle has a unique patency in the condition of snow, mud and ice, and also great for movement on water. However, in this configuration is not capable dive to great depths. Such an all-terrain vehicle not intended for use in the boundaries of settlements, because massive stubble design allows him to drive on asphalt or concrete. Is also noteworthy that the all-terrain vehicle causing serious damage to nature, soil and destroy vegetation, and therefore only used in emergencies conditions, such as during the introduction rescue work in poor conditions. Patency is the average speed which can develop such an all-terrain vehicle is about 10 km per hour. 760 Swiss firm Matisse, which since 1945 of the year is considered a pioneer mechanization of track work, specializes in the production of travel machines for the construction of the current maintenance and repair of railway paths. Among other devices that produced by this company is and so-called paths pavers, e.g. paths laying train TCM 60. The main feature of this device intended for railway construction is the complete continuity of the process. It is an autonomous complex which allows you to carry out all operations, assembly and laying of rails and sleepers directly on the machine itself. Versatility greatly facilitates and speeds up work and to minimize intervention. Human process is another distinctive feature of this machine is its autonomy in delivery materials. Thanks to this, during railway construction eliminates the need to use additional equipment. Night in order to drive this car need a road because it has increased cross-country ability even in difficult climatic conditions on soils with low bearing capacity, e.g. beat them without problems, able to drive on swamp, virgin snow, off-road or rough and wooded terrain. Temperature spread at which the machine can function normally ranges from -50 to +40 degrees Celsius. The Night is not afraid water and afloat develops speed up to 6 km per hour. In addition, it can enter without preparation in and out of the water. Regardless on the state of the shore and the density of the soil, the machine is able to overcome obstacles up to 1.5 meters high. Creators call it the most passable caterpillar machine of all existing because it can move even on one caterpillar, except that the Night is distinguished by high maneuverability for its weight, which is 29 tons. Of us already an all-terrain vehicle can move at a speed of 37 km per hour and at the same time carry cargo in excess of its own weight. Bear DM2 main advantage of this armored vehicle is the highest permeability of all. Wheels are adjustable pressure that allows you to change them positions both at a stop and during driving time. Except for the main all-wheel drive chassis in the middle cases, there are special additional retractable wheels and allowing overcome giant ditches and trenches before the barrier they fall and after overcome rises with help. For hydraulic armor lifts 10 mm thick provides protection against small arms bullets. fragments as well as mines of small caliber. Besides the armored car, in the stern there is a jet engine allowing speed up to 10 km per hour afloat. In the department, monitoring devices are placed. Radio stations, navigation equipment, commander and driver seats. In combat department is a machine gun on installation, ammunition, hydraulic lift and additional wheels. In the crew of the BRDM-2 includes the driver, mechanic, commander and 2 scout, one of which is in charge. Machine gun arrow. In the present time, this armored car is used in intelligence units over than 50 countries for Toyota EPC4X. According to the developers, this machine can handle any conditions and is great for driving on forest to deserts and even to cross rivers. The creators of the armored car took as a basis 1959 British intelligence vehicle and decided to modify its back car. They installed a powerful engine. The car itself, both big wheels with special tires that designed for rough off-road machines, are characterized by high throughput and optimal reliability. Also has an attractive, aggressive design. 2 of them are driven by using hydraulic motors. Fix them from the inside instead of a machine gun on machine mounted device with hook attached to the winch cable. In addition, vehicle provided reinforced shock absorbers. Special suspension allows this updated armored car with ease ride cross-country and overcome any obstacles. Pedalboard in front of you, the latest prototype amphibious landing vehicle, which is a Caterpillar original vehicle constructions. All main units of the machine are located inside the body. In the front, its parts are the cockpit with all necessary equipment on board. Technical device housing. Large caterpillars are located equipped with special blocks, porous material, which is higher buoyancy of this vehicle. 8C new design allows amphibious literally ride on water. Despite that, the car is still losing to landing speedboats. Speed she vastly superior to them. Patency because, if necessary, it invention can even climb on wall up to 3 meters high. Besides, designs can carry up to 200 tons. M3 Bios Reed is a German car on T-Biz. Intended for crossing tanks and other vehicles driving through water barriers. Amphibious, using a system of floats and hydraulic crane, is able to assemble automatically. In this way necessary, it can serve as bridge and floating ferry, which can withstand even heavy armored vehicles weighing up to 64 tons. Main cargo parts. Amphibian M3 are made up of aluminum. At its main hull is hydraulic cap faucet and post. Problem also designs bears 8-cylinder 4-stroke 360 power diesel engine, horsepower to move on land at a speed of 80 km per hour and on the water to reach speeds of up to 20 km per hour. The car has 2 large deployable aluminum mechanism to increase buoyancy on water. Besides, this is a technical device equipped with an armored cab system, air conditioning and many others improvements. Besides, Germany Angel successfully use engineering troops and United Kingdom, Singapore, Taiwan and Brazil fall through. Why marshland by conventional all-terrain vehicle may not be able to say anything about this machine. Unique rescue truck paves the way not only for himself but also others if needed. The machine goes over the coil aluminum roadway which located on the back of the truck. To start laying temporary, the driver must turn the road truck, activate special. The mechanism is like a drum and turn on reverse gear. After these steps, variable road will unfold according to the principle of the red carpet when the roadway will be in the right place. Other vehicles can start moving. Steam, it's impassable at the new road, reaches 50 meters in length and can withstand vehicles weighing up to 70 tons. As soon as without transport cross the section of the truck, can roll up temporary cover and continue forward movement. It is worth noting that this truck can work even in partially flooded terrains, making it ideal for photo machines in areas such natural disasters such as floods and landslides. Now car already used in over 30 different departments around the world.